Welcome, students. Your teacher has selected eNovativePiano as a course resource. This tutorial will get you started learning with eNovativePiano's lessons and curriculum. To access the curriculum and all the lessons, you must log in. If you don't yet have a login and wish to obtain one, click on the Start Here button and follow the prompts. Otherwise, enter your username and password and log in. Once you log in, you will see your dashboard where you can join a workbook, view the workbooks you have joined, access tutorials, and keep up with assignment deadlines. You can see the main navigation bar, see notifications, search for lessons, and view your profile. You can also see recently updated and new eNovativePiano lessons and blog posts. Your teacher has created a class workbook on eNovativePiano with a customized curriculum. To join this workbook, enter the join code that your teacher has provided to you here. Once your teacher approves your request, you will be able to access your class assignments. You can view your workbooks from My Workbooks on the main navigation bar, where you can also find a toolbox with important functions such as checklist progress, practice logs, workbook resources, and messaging. But the Recent Workbooks panel on your dashboard gives you quick access to these same things. Let's view a workbook. Here you will see your assignments, the assignment title, and the type of assignment it is. Depending on how your teacher has set it up, you will either see a due date or a unit heading. You may see instructions and comments. The different icons indicate comments, to-do lists, and attachments. At the top of the page is a workbook toolbox with different features and shortcuts. Selecting the assignment title will take you directly to the assigned lesson. At the top of the page, you will see instructions and general information about the assignment. You'll also see links to additional information. Immediately below that, you will see the score. On the right, you see the media area where you see videos and audio tracks that are relevant to the assignment. Just below that, you'll see extras such as printable worksheets, lead sheets, scores, and some assignments have links to Spotify playlists. If your teacher has left specific instructions for this assignment, you will see these indicated by these three icons. Clicking on any of these icons will take you directly to that assignment's information. Here, it is appearing right below the extras, and your teacher has left you an extra credit assignment, which you can click on and learn more about. Below that, your teacher has created some practice to-dos, which you can keep track of specific things that your teacher has asked you to do. And immediately below the score are comments that your teacher may have left pertaining to this assignment. On the top right, you see an option to log your practice time. You can view your practice log from the dashboard by selecting the View Practice Logs icon or from your workbook toolbox. The Progress button allows you to indicate your progress on the lesson. Your progress status will show on your upcoming assignments dashboard panel, and if your teacher has created checklists for your class, it will also be used to determine checklist completion. You can find links to track your checklist progress on the dashboard, or from your workbook toolbox. You can communicate with your teacher and with other class members by selecting the messaging icon on the main navigation bar. You will receive message notifications here. You can also send a message to your teacher from your recent Workbooks dashboard. Select your name to view your account information and user profile.